Our school, Michael Nagar Shikhaniketan, government sponsored co ed English medium higher secondary, has taken an excellent initiative in conducting online classes through YouTube channel. Even in this pandemic situation, our school did not step aback in providing and enhancing knowledge to the students. So, it's a request to the viewers, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Good morning, students. Now, I will discuss about the chapter straight line, okay? Class 11 math. Here, first time, we should have to know that what is locus. Locus means the relation between x and y. If write 3x plus 2y equal to 5. Here 3x, that means x and y be any points less than the coordinate axis. This is a locus and this represents a straight line. Here let us take a point in the first coordinate 80 square comma 280. T with the parameter. I will discuss about the meaning of the parameter, but first time I will discuss about the locus. Here this is x coordinates and y, this is the y coordinates. Here x equal to 80 square, y equal to 280. Okay. Now, with the help of the t, we find the relation between x and y. So, if we squaring both sides 4a square t square, it is 4a into 80 square. Now, putting the value of x here 4x, that is a locus, that means relation between x and y. Now, this picture will be this. If we put for x equal to 1, y equal to 1, x equal to 2, y equal to 2, let us take x equal to 1, y equal to 1. In this way, we will get this curve. Okay, that is the locus. But the first degree equation represents straight line. Now, first time I will discuss about the straight line. Now, a line here inclined this way makes an angle theta, but the positive direction of tan theta be m. M means gradient theta. This line AB inclines on the x axis at an angle theta. Here tan theta equal to gradient slope. Okay. If we draw another line, let us take this line. If we produce this, let us take this line be named A and B. If we produce such a way that makes angle theta the positive direction of, let us take 120 degree and this is 60 degree. Okay, let us take. So, tan theta, this gradient MB tan 120, because 120 with the right, that means this side. Okay. So, the value of tan 120 degree represents the gradient, never m not equal to tan 60 degree. Okay. Because here in the left side, clear. So, first time you should have to understand the realize what is the meaning of the slope gradients. Okay. So, first let us draw x and y axis. Let us take point A whose coordinates x 1 and y 1 and point B whose coordinates x 2 and y 2. Okay. We join this. Okay. If we produce makes angle theta. Now, draw perpendicular from A on x axis, let us M, and from B let us N. Okay. And join perpendicular, let us take T. So, this angle equal to this angle, because this line and this line are parallel and this is the corresponding angle. Okay. So, the length of the side will be y 2 minus y 1 and this is x 2 minus x 1. This, if we take triangle ABT, so tan theta be perpendicular by base, this is y 2 minus y 1 by x 2 minus x 1. So, MB y 2 minus y 1 and x 2 minus x 1. Okay. This is the formula of the 2 points are given, find the gradient of the 2 points AB. Okay. Next, slope intercept form. What is slope intercept form? This is x axis and this is y axis. Let us take, this is the line AB, here A and this is B, cuts y axis at C length, with taking C length from origin on y axis, let us take C and produce this. If we consider this triangle here, let us take this is M and this is N. Okay. If this point be x and y, it is C. So, BM will be y minus C and let us TM will be x. This angle equal to this angle. Let us take this angle be theta. So, this angle be theta. So, tan theta equal to M equal to y minus C by x. So, mx equal to y minus c. So, y equal to mx plus c. This represents a formula. This is a slope intercept form. Okay. Now, point slope form. Point slope form means if the line passes through any points x 1, let us take x 1 and y 1. That means, if we choose 2, 3, let us choose minus 4, 5. Okay. Here, this point P x 1, y 1, let us 4, 5, 2, 3 this way. On this line, we choose another point xy. Xy be variable point. Xy must lie this position, this position, this position, anyway. Okay. So, if we form this triangle, so this is the length of this side y 1 and the length of the side be y minus y 1, y minus y 1. Okay. Here this is x 1 and this the length x. So, this length be x minus x 1. Okay. If this angle be theta, so y minus y 1 by x minus x 1 be tan theta. Tan theta means m. So, the form will write m x minus x 1. Clear? Okay. This is the point slope form. Now, from this equation, from this relation, we reach another type of the straight line. Okay. Here a straight line passing through any points y minus y 1 equal to m into x minus x 1. M means gradient. M means gradient, that means tan theta, that means sin theta by cos theta. Y minus y 1 equal to tan theta x minus x 1. Okay. So, tan theta means sin theta by cos theta x minus x 1. If we arrange this in this such a way that x minus x 1 by cos theta, let us take this two ratio be r greater than 0. Okay. What is r? R with the distance, r equal to root over x minus x 1 whole square plus y minus y 1 whole square. This name of this form is symmetrical form. This name of this is symmetrical form. So, from this type of this relation, we choose y minus y 1 be r sin theta. So, y equal to r sin theta plus y 1 and x minus x 1 be r cos theta. So, x equal to r cos theta plus x 1. Let us take this is a axis, y axis and x axis. Here this line makes angle theta. Clear? X 1 and y 1 be the fixed point x 1 and y 1. X 1 y 1. See, if we choose any points on this line x y, x y be x be r cos theta plus x 1 and y be r sin theta plus y 1. Okay. What is r? R be the distance between the 2 points. Let us take this is A and this is B. So, this distance be r. Clear? In this way, to find the distance between the 2 points. Okay. This is the very, very important equation. Now, I will write 2 points form. What is 2 points form? the straight line is passing through the two given points. Two given points means x 1 y 1 and x 2 y 2. Let us take A 2, 3 and B 7, 9, two given points. Here x 1 y 1 and here x 2 y 2. So, this is x 1 y 1 and this is x 2 y 2. If we join these, this is theta and also this is theta. Equation of the line passing through point this named, let us take A and then let us take B. Equation of the line be y minus y 1 equal to m into x minus x 1. Okay. This is the equation of the line passing through point x 1 and y 1. But here we know that the m, what is the meaning of the m? M means slope, gradient. Gradient, that means tan theta equal to m, that means y 2 minus y 1 by x 2 minus x 1. So, if we put the value of m y 2 minus x 1 by x minus x 1 to x minus x 1. Okay. This is the equation of the line passing through the two given points. Clear? Now, another form, intercept form. What is the intercept form? Here, this line B, let us take A and B. Here, this point A lies on the x axis, his coordinates a comma 0, that means this distance be A and this is 0 comma B, that means this distance be B, that means this distance A and this is B. Now, let us choose any point on the line P x y and draw perpendicular PM. So, from the relation of the similarity, theorems of the similarity, this triangle is similar to this triangle. From class 10, we know that if this triangle similar, this by this equal to this by this and also this by this equal to this by this equal to this by this, you know from class 10. Okay. So, this total length A and this is x. So, this length be A minus x, clear. This length be y and this length be b. So, from the basic theorem of similarity, A minus x, that means this by this, A minus x by A equal to y by b. Try to simplify. A by A minus x by A equal to y by b. 1 equal to x by A plus y by b. Clear? Intercept form. If we choose a line 3x plus 4y equal to 12. What is the figure? What is the actual figure on the coordinate axis? We divide by 12. So, this will be x by 4, y by 3 equal to 1. This is the form of the equation of the intercept form. Here this is 4 comma 0, the x intercepts, and this is 0 comma 3 y intercepts. Clear? Now I will discuss the next form. Next form is the normal form. What is normal form?
Subscribe. Click on the bell. Like, comment, share.